Welcome back, students. In this video we will learn the types of roots. So roots are of two types, tap root and fibrous root. Roots कितने टाइप के होते हैं? दो टाइप के. First is tap root, second is fibrous root. Let's see what is a tap root. Tap root में जैसे suppose this is the soil, ये हमारा soil है and this is the stem. टैप रूट में स्टेम के बेस से, स्टेम के नीचे से एक लॉन्ग थिक रूट निकलता है, एक सिंगल, दिस इज सिंगल, एक रूट जो कि लंबा और मोटा होगा. One single root will come out from the base of the stem which will be long and thick. So from the base of the stem, one single long and thick root will emerge out. और इसको हम बोलते हैं main root. What we call it? We call it main root. After that, from the main root, small other roots come out. Like this. So, in case of taproot, what happens? स्टेम के बेस से एक सिंगल लंबा मोटा रूट निकलता है जिसको कि हम मेन रूट कहते हैं. उस मेन रूट से बाद में छोटे छोटे दूसरे अदर रूट्स निकलते हैं. गॉट इट? एग्जाम्पल, like which plants have taproot? Bean, carrot, balsam, etc. Right? Fibrous root. Fibrous root में क्या होता है? यहाँ एक सिंगल रूट निकला था, यहाँ पे बंच ऑफ रूट्स निकलेंगे. स्टेम के बेस से सिंगल रूट नहीं, बंच मतलब बहुत सारे रूट्स निकलेंगे. यहाँ पे एक लॉन्ग रूट निकला था, वहां पे स्मॉल रूट्स निकलेंगे. यहाँ पे थिक रूट निकला था, वहां पे थिन रूट्स निकलेंगे. मीन्स कंप्लीटली ऑपोजिट. सो बंडल ऑफ roots will emerge out at one time. Bundle of roots which are small and thin. Bunch of roots which are small and thin. It will come out from the base of the stem. Understood? बहुत सारे रूट्स के गुच्छे जो कि थिन, पतले और छोटे होंगे वो एक साथ स्टेम के बेस से निकलेंगे. Example, which all plants have fibrous root? Wheat, paddy, etc. Understood? Let's have a quick revision. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root. In case of taproot, from the base of the stem, one single thick long stem will come out, and this thick long root is known as the main root. Afterwards, from the main root, other small roots will come out on either sides. दोनों तरफ छोटे छोटे small roots main root से grow करेंगे. In case of fibrous root, from the base of the stem, a bunch of roots which are thin and small will come all together. Example of plants having taproot: bean, carrot, etc. Example of plants having fibrous root: wheat, paddy, etc. I hope by these three videos now you might have come to know about roots. Like what are roots? They grow inside the soil, they grow underground the soil. Then roots are of two types, taproot, fibrous root. What are the functions of roots in a plant? Roots, it absorbs water, minerals and nutrients from the soil for the plant. It holds the soil and fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Some plants store their extra food in the roots and we eat such kind of roots. Example, beetroot, carrot, radish, etc. After this, now I am going to share with you all the notes of chapter 1. Whatever time is left for this period, you can start writing the notes in your fair copy. Otherwise, you can do it afterwards. Understand? Thank you. Have a blessed day.